Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 5, chapter 4. So chapter 4 is really interesting. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. We're talking about today's healthcare environment, some of the different, of course, insurers and types of organizations that we have in healthcare. Lots of cool information as you go through the video. Also have some links in here that I think are going to be really useful for you. What's an HMO? What's a PPO? Some of those differences. And remember, by the end of the week, you're going to have your Chapter 4 review questions, which are due. So keep an eye on that. I'm sure you took the time to really look at the legal research side of things. So you have, of course, a folder here at the beginning, of course, content, and then your legal research folder, which we reviewed all week last week with no homework. Hope you made some progress there. But if you didn't and you're still struggling, please reach out. I've had a few students reach out and I've helped them figure out some topics. But if you need some assistance, guidance, just let me know. Appreciate all you're doing. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a good week.